Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about top 7 tips for healthy eating out. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. As the number of graduates in the community increases and lives become more productive, most graduates spend more time at work, and most families no longer spend time cooking traditional and home-cooked meals and prefer to serve their meals outdoors. Eating out has become a part of our lives as human beings. As we have said, on the one hand, due to lack of time, people may not be able to make a full meal in the middle of the day, late at night or even for parties, and have to provide the necessary ingredients for cooking and washing dishes. Restaurants are so attractive to people that they are encouraged to try new flavors and dishes. But with the salient advantages, you must know some of the disadvantages as well. In this video, we try to provide solutions to make the selected foods more nutritious and healthy outdoors. How do we balance the enjoyment of taste with healthy eating? How to adapt fast food to a healthy diet without feeling guilty? If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. A simple start. Maintain a healthy weight by choosing the right food. You have 2 leading choices. First, choose a conventional food such as fried shrimp, and then order a high-calorie, high-cholesterol meal. Second, choose a tasty but low-calorie, healthy, low-fat appetizer, such as a healthy soup or salad with a low-fat sauce, and then eat more. Raise the pre-meal to the main meal. To avoid eating high-calorie foods and side dishes added to most main dishes, you can order the appetizer as your main meal and complete your meal with a glass of cold drink or a slice of bread. This meal becomes a meal in itself, with fewer calories and fat than the main menu, and is also more cost-effective. Always order a low-fat, low-calorie salad before a meal. Spread the salad dressing on the vegetables from another bowl with your fork and let the salad just taste the sauce, not soak in it. Needlehead questions. Many restaurants tend to offer big questions that go against health standards in order to attract more customers. For this reason, look for restaurants with small presses or restaurants with modern cuisine. Sometimes you have to define the size of the press for yourself and always order the same amount. For example, a standard press of cooked rice, half a cup of rice is either the size of a rice tennis ball, or a steak or grilled chicken breast is the size of a small calculator. Now with this image you can set aside a lot of food on your plate and take it home for lunch or dinner the next day. Or you can even ask the waiter to pack half of it for you before the food is served on your table if you know the usual size of the restaurant. Healthy choices. Be the first to order food at a restaurant, because listening to other people's orders tempts you. When ordering food, ask the waiter to make changes to your food as you wish. For example, if the food is fried, you should look for a grilled or tandoori alternative. Eliminate fried potatoes with food and order vegetables instead. Ask the waiter to reduce the amount of bread or rice in your meal. Ask the person in charge how they cook the food. If a food is labeled cholesterol-free, it does not necessarily mean it is fat-free. For this reason, get as much information as possible about the details of cooking. Preferably try not to order food that is necessarily eaten with bread, or if you inevitably want to eat with bread, ask the waiter to bring you a certain amount of bread. Be careful when choosing drinks. Instead of ordering sugary fizzy drinks, you can have healthier choices such as water, natural juices or buttermilk. Choose the main dish. To choose your main meal, first estimate the caloric budget of your meal for that meal. Always have at least 1 healthy vegetable press with your main meal when eating out. The least fatty, or healthy fats, protein foods are first fish and shrimp, then chicken breast, chicken thighs, then beef, and mutton and mincemeat. But in the case of fast food, one of the biggest problems with fast foods is that they have a lot of questions in food, and that means getting more calories. For everyone, even with a lot of resistance, they may sometimes turn to fast food restaurants. For this reason, you should enter the restaurant with sufficient care and intelligence, and finally consider the wisest choices. Preferably order a grilled or grilled sandwich with fish, chicken breast or lean meat. You can choose a sandwich with a light and healthy bread like whole grain breads. You can take one of the loaves on both sides of the hamburger and serve the sandwich with just one layer of bread. Order the sandwich without mayonnaise, cheese and extra fat. Make sure you have a healthy salad without mayonnaise with a pack of low-fat balsamic sauce. The meal is ready. Food should be chewed carefully and fast food should be avoided. Stop eating before you feel full and give your digestive tract a chance to digest and absorb the material better. In this case, you will feel better after eating. How you eat is more important than what you eat. Focus more on your conversations with your friends and companions than on eating. The longer you can eat, the longer you will feel full. Eat slowly and place your spoon and fork on the plate between each bite of your food and pause. After eating half, ask yourself if you are still hungry. You can stop eating at this time. Make leftovers out of reach. For example, tell the waiter to wrap it for you, or cover the food with a paper towel, or sprinkle plenty of salt or pepper on it. Start chewing gum immediately after eating. It both helps digest food and keeps you from being tempted to peck again. Presence of vegetables next to food or in sandwiches. Usually there is a tendency to eat more to use more than the amount paid for food. So, it is better to ask the seller to give you more healthy salad or steamed or boiled vegetables instead of sandwich contents. The desire to eat sweets after a meal. After eating, your body needs something sweet. You can drink a cup of coffee or diluted tea after a while to deal with this feeling. Do not forget that you want a complete meal even without ordering dessert. At the end, when leaving the restaurant, be sure to share your opinions with restaurant officials to make the restaurant's menu better and healthier. Keep a notebook and make healthy choices of the restaurants you visit to use next time or to introduce to your friends. What tips do you follow for eating a healthy meal outdoors? What points do you think should be added to the points mentioned? Please share your ideas and your experience with us in the comment section. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.